Hey, dude, so here's an update on my air conditioner. It's a Rheem. Yeah, so they got it to stop being so loud. They put a new fan blade on, a new motor, and they also put these little rubber washers here. But it's working. Sorry for the wind noise. And here's the other one. This one has had, there's not many maintenance. There hasn't been much maintenance on this one. So I've got the original motor, original blades. I did clean it out. I did unscrew the fan bolts and clean all the pine straw out because, well, we got a lot of pine trees. This is the view. If you're wondering, no, I do not have a backyard. It's just under the deck. It's just a straight drop off, so yeah.